Hey guys, this is Omarete Vilato, the best in production. Today I'm gonna be talking about this product, mold armor. Easy house wash. It's supposed to kill mold attached to your bindings, sidings, and all that good stuff. I purchased this product because I read a lot of reviews, good reviews online, and I went ahead and got it. I mean, and it's supposed to work. It's supposed to kill mold, like I mentioned. I'm gonna give you some tips, hints, in case you want to buy this product. The first thing that you need to do, the first thing that you need to do, make sure you read the instruction carefully. The second thing you need to do is keep this product away from children. The third thing you need to do is don't make the same mistake that I did. Okay, you have to shake this container for a good 30-40 seconds so all the chemical inside that container get mixed properly. I went ahead and attached the water hose to the main water pipe, and which is that's recommended. That's what you need to do because this product had to be connected to the water hole in order to work. Well, as you see there, I also connected the other end to my container, and that's when I made that mistake because when everything was connected, I was trying to shake it, and it was very uncomfortable, very cumbersome to shake a container with a hose attached to it. That was a mistake that I did. So I will suggest to you before you attach the hose, the other end of the hose to the container, please shake the product for a good 40 seconds, 1 minute, whatever the instruction indicate. Just follow that instruction. Then when you turn on the water, make sure you turn on the water all the way so you could get good water pressure. This container also has like a on and on switch where you have to twist to the left, twist to the right to on and off. Okay, so once you have done all that good stuff, you go ahead and turn on the water. Then you go right ahead and apply the chemicals that is contained to the infected area. Okay, where the mold is residing, and it's supposed to remove the mold. As you can see there, I'm applying the chemicals uh, to the affected areas on my deck. I don't know if I read the instruction properly. I don't know if I did it right because most of the people that use this product that I read on, they use it on vinyl sidings in their home, uh, and I use it for my deck for my wood. I thought it was supposed to work the same way it works on vinyl sidings, but it did not. Like I said, I don't know if I did something wrong. I don't know if I didn't check it well enough. So if you have used this product in the past and you know how to use it, leave your comment down below so I could retry, so I could go ahead and purchase another container and I could reapply it to my infected area. As you could see, that area that I applied the chemical, it hardly remove any mold from it. The area that you see is kind of clean. Because I use Clorox, to be honest with you, with water, regular Clorox with water, and I sprayed it with my power washing machine, and that's why that area is look more clean than the affected area. And like I said, I don't know if I did something wrong. I didn't know if I used the product properly, or I don't know if it's meant to use on wood or vinyl. So if you have, like I say, if you have used this product in the past, leave your comment down below so I could reuse it, so I could retry, so I could make it better, so I could do this better next time around. I'm showing right now the power washer that I use to wash my deck. So guys, I'm gonna say thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Click the notification bell so all my videos get directly to you. Like the video, share the videos, and don't forget to leave your comments. Your comments are the most important thing on this channel. So once again, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Omarete Vilato, Basement Production.